Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello and welcome to another improvised tool video. This is a hair clip. It's one of the cheap and nasty ones. This helps us out. First you need to bend the end so that it snaps off, creating the letter V. Now that we have a V, we need to straighten out the arm so we can reach the skinny end easier. Now we need to snap the arms off the hinge. Once we have done that, we will have a choice to make. Choose the narrow one. Now for the cuff. I'm going to use the Vipertek cuffs. With the double lock set there is no shimming option. So let's insert our tool along the keyway. Lean back to maximize the surface area against the bar. Then flick the bar back along the body. Now for the pawl. Hold the tool in a 45-degree angle and lean away, levering against the pawl. And if that fails, it's a pretty good shim as well. Stay safe and I will see you in the next video.